Word provides 6 different ways that you can view your documents: print layout, full screen reading, web layout, outline, draft, and focus. In this video, I'll show you how to change your view and describe what each view is used for. Word provides different views of your document because you may want to work with your document in different ways. These views don't change the format of your document, at least not the format of what your document looks like if you print it. The views only affect what you see on the screen and how you work with the content of your document. There are 2 ways that you can select which view you want to use. The first way allows you to access 4 of the 6 views. Just take a look at the bottom right corner of the program window. You can see some buttons down there that allow you to access differing views. Hover the mouse pointer over one of these buttons and it shows you what view that button represents. If you cannot see 4 different views down here, or if you want to see fewer than 4 views down here, then just go ahead and right-click on the status bar and you'll see a context menu, and down here at the bottom you can select which views you want to appear within the status bar. The other method of selecting views gives you access to all 6 of Word's various views. You do this by displaying the View tab of the ribbon. That's what we have displayed at the top of the screen up here. You can see the view controls right up here in 2 different groups: the Views group and the Immersive group. Let's take a look at what each view allows you to do. Print Layout view is the view most closely related to what your document will look like when you actually print it. This viewing mode, which is the one I'm using right now, allows you to see your headers and footers in place, what your margins look like, how your text boxes appear in relation to text, and what your graphics look like in your document. This is the viewing mode you should use if you want to always see what your document will look like. Read Mode view, or Full Screen Reading view, allows you to do exactly what its name suggests. It allows you to read your document. The view is available primarily in the Windows version of Word. It is not available in most versions of Word for the Mac. If we click on this view, you can see that it gets rid of the ribbon and uses the maximum screen space available within the program window to display your document. Typically, the document will be displayed in 2 facing pages, but the number of pages displayed can be affected by the size of the program window, the size of your monitor, and the resolution of your monitor. The important thing to remember is that there is no editing allowed in this view. It is for reading and reviewing only. You can exit this view by simply pressing the Escape key. Web Layout view, this one right over here, is designed to allow you to easily see how your documents will look if used in an online environment. There's not much more to say about this viewing mode. It's provided for those who intend on publishing their Word documents online. Outline view is used when you want to work with large portions of your document at the same time. It allows you to collapse your document and view only the major headings. The text under each heading can be hidden so it does not obscure your view of the document organization. When you select Outline view, an additional outlining tab appears on the ribbon, and that tab is automatically displayed. The tools on this tab allow you to control what is shown or hidden in this view. There's a lot more that I could tell you about Outline view, but I'll save that for a different video. Draft view can be considered a pared down version of the Print Layout view. It allows you to generally see how your text will appear on paper. This means you can see what each line will look like, how the text appears, and where the lines and pages will break. This view is helpful if you are using an older, slower computer that can't display the Print Layout view particularly quickly. It is also helpful if you want to focus just on the words in your document. Speaking of focusing, the final view I want to discuss is called Focus View or Focus Mode. It is similar to Full Screen Reading view, except it allows you to edit your document. Focus View actually modifies or builds upon whatever view you had selected before you chose Focus View. So for instance, if we're working in Print Layout View over here, if I then go ahead and click on Focus, then the entire document is displayed on the full screen that we have available to us. Focus View is available only in the version of Word provided with Microsoft 365. As you can tell, it removes all extraneous distractions so that you can focus specifically on the words. It is a helpful view to use when you want to remove anything that may draw your attention away from the document itself. Like the Reading view, you can exit Focus View by pressing the Escape key. Now, which view should you use? Well, it's entirely up to you, and you should make your choice depending on how you want to work with your document at the current time. I suspect that most people will work with their document almost exclusively in Print Layout View, but it is very helpful to know about the other views so you can call them into action if you need them. I hope that you found this video worthwhile. If you did, make sure that you click on the subscribe button down below and click on the bell icon as well so that you can find out when new videos are posted on the WordTips channel. Thanks for spending this time with me today.